I would say, in a very simple language, the teachings of our great masters, as long as you have the four defects present in the mind, you cannot recognize, discover permanent peace, happiness, love within yourself. And that is the subject matter of meditation. So, what is the first defect? First defect is the illusion, or you can say delusion. Mistaken perception. We misunderstand the reality. We means mind understands the reality wrongly. Master says clearly, what appears true is not true. What appears true? Mirage water. Water is not there in the mirage, but water appears real. It is not real. Body appears real. Body is constantly changing. Rubbing your hands, you have already cured more than 50,000 cells. How can you say this body is real? Second defect is pramad, carelessness in the journey of the self-discovery. You fail to act correctly. That is what the carelessness is. No, I cannot, wake up early in the morning and I cannot practice meditation. I will practice in the evening. Now I have an urgent appointment with the doctor. Carelessness. You can reschedule it, but no, because the mind is constantly hypnotized by the world outside. The third is, first is the carelessness, second is first is the illusion, second is the carelessness, third is that we cheat ourselves. I tell people that why you did not attend the coaching session because I was busy. So find the time to be busy beyond the stipulated time for a session. Mind does not understand it easily. Mind does not understand it easily, and then we have a problem. And fourth problem is sense organ, the imperfect perception by the senses. That I will take up later in detail.